It was the highlight of their 6-week-long after-school wilderness program, a trip to the crown jewel of national parks, Yosemite.
The waterfalls and the mountains, they're really cool. Yeah, it's really big.
This group of students are in the Wilderness Club at Washington Intermediate School in Dinuba, the program founded and taught by Fresno Pacific University.
It was to inspire our young, kids around us to see the world in a new way, to see themselves in a bigger world, and kind of expand their imaginations a little bit.
The university offers a minor in wilderness studies and has provided its own students with outdoor and backpacking opportunities for years. Now it's reaching out to the community, extending this experience to middle school students.
I usually don't go out or explore, so I wanted to be part of the club. That way I could see nature, animals that I usually don't see where I live.
Abraham Lincoln's an important person to Yosemite.
They spent 6 weeks learning about the environment, learning outdoor skills like building a fire, and about the history of Yosemite. Now they're seeing it up close.
I think this is when it hits. This is when they stand in a place like this. All those lessons that we do, maybe out in the field, on their campus, or in the classroom, really click at the next level.
They toured Wawona Historic Village before driving to Yosemite Valley. There was much to see and learn. Students used their study guides and instant cameras to document what they saw.
The animals were really fun to explore too, and we got to see multiple birds and everything, and squirrels everywhere.
With their homemade walking sticks in hand, the students set out on their hike to Lower Yosemite Falls. For those who had never visited the park, the waterfall was a sight to behold. They just sat, looked, and listened. Dr. Winter says Fresno Pacific wants to expand its after-school wilderness program so more young people can have this same experience.
If we can fully exercise our abilities, we can influence thousands of students and bring them into these beautiful natural spaces that are in fact ours to steward and ours to care for.
For Education Matters, I'm Juanita Stevenson, KC24, local news that matters.